4.
I don't chase my coffee with a Marlboro Red anymore. Since you left, I stay out of downtown Friday nights, out of sight and out of mind. But the more I change, the more I find. Oh, my heart got lost when we said goodbye, and I keep running into you. Oh, I can't lose you. Turn down the back road, turn down the radio, chasing whiskey, praying it hits me. I keep running, running into you. Run, run, running. Ooh, run, run, running. Ooh, yeah, I burned every letter you ever wrote. My jean jacket still smells like smoke. Yeah, I've been too drunk, too far gone, been everything but moving on, and I keep running into you. Oh, I can't lose you. Turn down the back road, turn down the radio, chasing whiskey, praying it hits me. I keep running, running. Oh, I can't help but wonder if you even miss me. If I were to walk by, would you see right through me? Say hi, how you been? Oh, there I go again. I keep running, running. Ooh, run, run, running. Ooh, I keep running to ya. Oh, I can't lose ya. Turn down the back road, turn down the radio, chasing whiskey, praying it hits me. I keep running, running. Ooh, run, run, 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 running.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Well, now that I've been running,
You've
all
been
this
running?
time,
Getting your workout in?
yeah. I even broke a. I'm glowing, maybe.
You're glowing?
Yeah,
Yeah, you are glowing.
kind of.
I thought it was just the light, but there.
It's just my sweating from running so
Just
much.
your
Okay.
aura.
All right. Well, what are we doing next? I can't remember. We went through this, but
Let's do waiting.
waiting.
Yeah.
This song is awesome. I'm glad we put it into our live show, because we recorded it out in Montana, of all places.
Yeah, pretty wild story behind it.
Kind of in the middle of nowhere. There's this awesome studio called Snow Ghost Studios, and we had kind of went out there to get away from the whole Nashville scene for a minute, because it can kind of swallow you whole.
Well, and it's how it all wound up coming to be was our publisher had asked us, is like, hey, would you guys like to go on a creative retreat kind of writing thing out in Montana? And we said,
Yes.
I mean,
Absolutely.
it's a weird question to be asked where you're like, well, sure, I'd love to go to Montana.
Yeah.
And he was like, there's really no expectation. So you're like, okay, what's the catch, right? But sure enough, like, he meant what he said. And, yeah, we got out there, and it's the most beautiful place that
So
I think
beautiful.
I've ever been. It was a little town called Whitefish, Montana, and
We went out to this cabin in the middle of nowhere, met with complete strangers, and we didn't get murdered. So that was good. That was good. But you just don't know. You don't know
we
anybody.
actually were questioning whether or not we thought that this was a setup.
Yeah, and we were like, this is weird. No, but we met some phenomenal people, and basically in less than 18 hours, we wrote a song and recorded it the next day, and which is really, really, we didn't expect to get something that we love so much. So here's a song called Waiting. Like a flower on the rain, like a traveler on the train, waiting, waiting. Like the thunder on the ridge for the lightning when it hits, waiting, waiting. Ooh, ooh, like a dreamer on a star, kiss upon a spark. Like a fire on a flame, heartache on the pain. Ooh, ooh. Doing what I gotta do. Oh, I'm waiting, 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 waiting on you. Like a double on the rocks, like a rebel on a cause, waiting, waiting. Like an answer on a prayer, it's always been there, waiting, waiting. Ooh, ooh, like a dreamer on a star, kiss upon a spark. Ooh, ooh, like a fire on a flame, heartache on the pain. Ooh, ooh, doing what I gotta do. Oh, I'm waiting, 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 waiting on you. At a park, on a bench, at a bar, on a bench. What am I doing here? Ooh, ooh, like a dreamer on a star, kiss upon a spark. Ooh, ooh, like a fire on a flame, heartache on the pain. Ooh, ooh, doing what I gotta do. Oh, I'm waiting, 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 waiting on you. I'm waiting, 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 waiting on you. Thank you.
I don't know if anybody else noticed that, but
I know,
when
yeah.
Stevie forgets the words
Don't
into
give
a
me
song,
away. Don't give me away.
I'm giving you away.
No, don't.
So,
I didn't forget anything. Okay.
so she gives me this look of like sheer terror,
No.
but it's momentary, right before a word. And I don't know if anybody caught it, but I was like,
I get so lost sometimes. I just
I
get
think
lost
that's
in
why
the
we
song.
make a good team.
And so, yeah, you know.
She gives me
What's
these
going
eyes
on?
like,
Yes,
Right.
yes. He
See,
just
back when we dated, she gave me those eyes, and they meant something different. But now it's like, oh shit, I don't know the words. Can you help me? And I'm like, I got you.
Thank you.
We make a good team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, really, thank you.
No.
Okay. So anyway, where are we?
We're in Pennsylvania.
We are. Okay. We are. I'm from Pennsylvania, so I'm glad to be here. Yes. It's so beautiful here. I know when we're driving through because I just know what Pennsylvania
I just know
looks like.
because we stop at Sheets and I get a smell.
Sheets. Yeah, it's my favorite thing. It's my favorite thing. Like
That's what you meant,
we
right?
don't have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of. Yeah. We don't have Sheets in Nashville, and it just really upsets me. So if anybody out there wants to open a Sheets in Nashville, let's get on that.
So
ASAP.
we were about 3 hours out of Reading last night, and it was 11:30 or so. So we're like, oh, let's stop and get a hotel and just be normal for once on our travels. And we had pulled in, and there was a Comfort Inn and like an Econo Lodge. And they weren't really like the prices we were looking for. They were just barely higher. So I come back out to the van, and I was telling Stevie, and she's like, but there's a Sheets right across the street here, and I don't know if we go somewhere else. And she's like, is it worth the $10 to not be across from Sheets? I said, you're right.
Yeah.
So
I had my Sheets coffee. Okay.
That was the deal sealer.
Yeah. Well, no hotel rates really go for like $10, which is really what
right.
we're looking for,
Yeah.
so we might as well.
I was talking about the difference
I
in,
know.
like $50 or $67. Yeah. But they're Sheets.
So we want to say thank you for having us, and we're going to do, what song are we doing?
We're going to do this song called Let Me Let You Go.
Yes.
Which is our current single that is on the internet.
Yes, and you can find it everywhere. We are on iTunes and Spotify. You can even download it through Amazon, and there's just it's just everywhere you can possibly find it. And you can go to townemusic.com too, and
TOWNE.
see where we're going to be playing at a town near you. Okay, so
All right.
let me let you go.
You ready?
Yeah, give me my note. You. Okay, I got it. You said it was for the best when you sent that text, putting us to rest. You know that it killed me, and yeah, it still kills me that you keep coming round like nothing's changed, like you feel no pain. For you it was easy, but for me it ain't easy. You said it was over, so stop pulling me closer. You know you're my weakness, I know you can see it. You're showing up late in my apartment gate, begging me to take you back and buzz you in. I'm your one and only, only when you're lonely. I'm not what you want, just what you know. Don't you know you can't have both? So if you love me, let me let you go. Oh, 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 oh. Let me let you go. Oh, 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 oh. Well, maybe it's my fault when it comes to you. Yeah, I can't say no. Well, I ain't your baby, so stop calling me baby. Stop calling me, stop calling me. You know you're my weakness, I know you can see it. You're showing up late in my apartment gate, begging me to take you back and buzz you in. I'm your one and only, only when you're lonely. I'm not what you want, just what you know. Don't you know you can't let me let you go. You said it was over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
You know you're my weakness. Everyone can see it. You're showing up late in my apartment gate, begging me to take you back and fuzzy wind. I'm your one and only, only when you're lonely. I'm not what you want, just what you know. Don't you know you can't have both? So if you love me, let me. If you love me, let me. If you love me, let me let you go. Oh, 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 oh. Let me let you go. Oh, 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 oh. Let me let you go. Oh, 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 oh. Let me let you go. Oh, 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 oh. Let me let you go. Nice save on that.
Thank you.
Thank you.